Welcome students, in this video we are going to deal with what is hercogamy. Hercogamy is an outbreeding device. It is an adaptation by flower itself to promote cross-pollination and to avoid self-pollination. And the best example for hercogamy is Calotropis. Calotropis, the gynoecium and androecium both are in fused condition. Let's see, this star-shaped structure is stigma of the gynoecium and 5 black corners are the androecium in the form of pollinia. So these 5 androeciums are in opposite direction of stigma, and all these structures together make the spatial fused form called gynostagia. Other purple colored these structures make flower more beautiful. Actually these are known as corona, and these structures are made up of 2 parts, hood and horn. As you see, this star shaped gynoecium is situated in the center, and in the corner in opposite direction these pollinium are situated, which are in opposite sides. So in this pollinia or pollinium, lots of pollen grains are situated or enclosed in the membrane of pollinia. This black portion is corpusculum, which is sticky in nature, and by this two translator, this corpusculum is attached with these 2 balloon-like structure called pollinia. Fall on the stigma of the same flower, still there is no contact between pollen grain and stigma due to the membrane of pollinia, because all the pollen grains are enclosed in the membrane of balloon-like structure called pollinia. So this membrane is acting as a physical barrier, so no chance of self-pollination. When these pollinia carried out by wind after over a period of time, this membrane gets degenerate or ruptures, releasing pollen grain, and if pollen grains come in contact with the stigma, then it will only germinate, which ensures cross-pollination due to wind. As I told you, this black color portion of androecium called corpusculum is sticky in nature, so it will get sticked or attached with the parts of the insects, and by insect it gets transferred to the flowers of another plant, and during this transfer this membrane of pollinia get ruptured, and there is a case of dropping pollen grains on the stigma of the flower. So in this case also cross pollination is favored and self pollination is avoided. So these are the 2 ways by which cross pollination is promoted and self pollination is avoided, and this physical barrier is the example of hercogamy in Calotropis. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe and share our channel A Little Word.